Hi there. I'm looking at sporks today. So hopefully you know what a spork is. It's a combination of spoon and fork or spoon, fork and knife. Why would you want one of these? Well, these are really useful when traveling or for camping or for work. Something lightweight to have that you can use with a meal or for a salad if you don't like the wooden spoons that you're given, or if the cutlery looks disgusting where you are. So great to have in a work bag as well. Great for kids, especially these plastic ones. But I've got two to look at. One is the Spork Original from Light My Fire. So we go through that first. And then secondly, I've got this titanium spork from SeatoSummit. So starting off looking at the Spork Original. This comes in a 4-pack and I got it from Amazon. It's Light My Fire. You get 4 different colors, so it's great if you've got 4 kids. They can each have their own. It's very easy to write on these with a Sharpie as well. You can see at one end you've got a spoon, and the other end you've got the knife, a serrated edge and a fork. So it's pretty flexible. It's very light. These weigh 11 grams each, or 0.39 ounces. Now, the big benefit of these are that they're dishwasher safe, they're BPA free as well. They're made from bio-based plastics. So I think essentially it's EcoZen, which is made from cornstarch. And the size is 170 by 38 by 10 millimeters. So I think 10 millimeters is the thickness from there to there. Looking at this, this is about 2.5 to 3 millimeters actual thick. If you're looking at that in inches, it's 6.7 long by 1.5 across by 0.4 inches in this direction. Okay. So as I said, great for families, for picnics, saves on the washing up, really easy to clean. And when you come back from your day out or your trip, you can just pop it in the dishwasher. So that's the Light My Fire spork. Now this is a first look review, so I haven't tried this out. I have had these before and found them really useful, but this particular pack I haven't started using yet. So I'll come back when I've had a good use of these. It's a great way of cutting down your environmental impact. It saves you using disposable cutlery. And it's pretty damn cheap really. So this cost only just over $3 each and less than £3 each. So perfect to pop in for a picnic. The next one I've got is the SeatoSummit titanium spoon. And again, this one, it came with a carabiner, which is great. So you can clip it onto something. I haven't opened the pack yet. So again, this is a first look. Let me just get it out. And if I can get the carabiner off as well, I'm probably going to need a knife for that, which I never have a shortage of. Let me just grab my knife. As always, I have my Midnight Manager on me. Let me get the scissors. It's probably going to be safer with the cable ties. And with a quick snip, and it's done. So the carabiner clips on nice and easy. And then you can clip this spork onto your rucksack or your work bag or anything. So this is in titanium. The spork itself weighs in at 14 grams or 0.5 ounces, which is pretty light actually. So it's a nice long reach, and this just has the spoon and the fork, so no knife on this. To be honest, I nearly always have a penknife with me, and it's made of this anodized titanium, so it's also dishwasher safe and food safe as well. It'd be interesting to see how well this coating lasts over use. That would be my only concern with this. The cost, now I'm not sure if this version is available still. I got it at an outdoor expo and it was £10, so it was on special offer. It's my first titanium spork, so I don't know if that's good value or not. I'll be trying it out. This looks perfect for a pot noodle, actually, just right for getting into a pot noodle. So that's a comparison between the titanium SeatoSummit and the SPORK original. Let me know if you use sporks yourself or what is your favorite spork. I'd love to hear your comments on this. And if you like this video, why not check out one of my others just over here or one of my playlists just there. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.